Access to nutrition and electricity result in a higher growth rate in GDP. Economic Survey 1920 has given the service sector overtakes manufacturing and also infrastructure and agricultural survey. Agricultural survey says the level and the growth of GDP informs several policy initiatives. Economic Survey 1920 has stated that access to nutrition and electricity resulted in higher growth rate in India GDP, and new firm creation in service sector is far greater than in manufacturing, infrastructure or agriculture. The survey was tabled by Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman in Parliament today, saying the GDP growth is critical variable for decision making by the investors as well as the policy makers. The economic survey highlighted the recent debate about whether India's GDP is correctly estimated following the revision in the estimation methodology in 2011 is extremely significant. The survey carefully examined the evidence leveraging existing scholarly literature and econometric methods to study whether India's GDP growth is higher than it would have been, and concluded that using careful statistical and econometric analysis, it finds no evidence of misestimation of India's GDP growth. The survey highlighted the need to invest in ramping up India's statistical infrastructure is undoubted. It also said that India has made an impressive improvements in several social development indicators. The survey discusses about the countries differing in several observed and unobserved ways. Cross-country comparisons have to be undertaken with care to separate out the effect of other co-founding factors and isolate the effect of the methodology revision alone on GDP growth estimates. The survey observed that India has taken several initiatives to foster investment, like relaxing the FDI norms, cutting corporate taxes, containing the inflation, accelerating the infrastructure creation, improving the ease of doing business or reforming taxation, etc. As India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, investors see an unparalleled opportunity here, it said. The level growth rate of a country's GDP informs several critical policy initiatives by serving a barometer of the country's size and health, it added. The survey critically discussed the micro-level evidence and examined new firm creation in the formal sector across 500 plus districts in India. The granular evidence shows that 10% increase in the new firm creation increases the district GDP growth by 108%, it added.